Welcome again to another video in KK's Kitchen. What a guan! So today I am making for you peanut punch. So it's peanut punch with a little twist. We here in Jamaica call it Magnum juice. Yes, Magnum. It is said that it is good for men because of the ingredients. It is made for men, but to me, anybody can drink it, male and female. You have to drink it moderately though as a female. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this quick blend together. Okay, so let's check out the ingredients. I have a little bit of salt, like half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg. I have 1 can of Jamaican Irish mash, Betty milk, a tin of supplement. I have a bottle of Jamaican Malta. You can use Dragon Stout if you want, or you can use Guinness, but I am using Malta, non-alcohol. Okay, and to continue, I have a cup of raw peanut. I have a cup of vanilla Lasco, 2 small bananas, and a cup of oats. So what you are going to do, I am just going to put all the ingredients in at once and blend. Now I make my ingredients cold. You can either use it with hot, the Irish mash, the supplement, the Malta. You can do them at room temperature, or you can do them cold. I am doing them cold because when I'm done, I am going to consume, well, my husband and I are going to consume. So let's go and put these ingredients together. Our Malta first, put in the liquid. Put in our supplement. In the peanuts. So we are going to put those in, and we are going to give them a little blend first before we put in the other ingredients. Okay, we are going to continue with the other ingredients. So we are going to put in the oats, banana, we're going to put in the Irish mash, vanilla Lasco, we're going to put in the cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and we are going to put in some condensed milk. You don't have to put too much in there, because remember that the supposition is sweet, the banana sweet, so you don't have to put too much thin milk. You can put, blend and check. Okay, so let's go again and blend everything now together. And we are going to blend for the second time on the same high speed, okay? Because we want to get the peanut as fine as we possibly can. So we're going in with another blend. At this time you can test to see if the taste is okay with you, if it needs anything. Salt, because the salt is going to bring up the flavor. If you check it now, and if it's too thick, you can put some water in. Mine was too thick, so I put like half cup of water in, because I don't like it too thick. I don't want to feel like I'm drinking porridge. I want to feel like I'm drinking punch. So this is how it is. Okay, fine enough. And you can taste. Wow. This is so nice. So nice. I don't need anything else. No more sugar, nothing more. This is the right blend. The right blend for me. So we are going to serve it now. So guys, we are going to serve now. So this is all I got from the mixture. From my kitchen to yours, this is my peanut punch / magnum punch. You can try it and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me how you find it. Remember, my own is cold, so it can serve right away. If you did not use the cold ingredients, you'll have to put it in the fridge for it to chill before you serve. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Blessings, blessings, blessings.